Welcome guys, on this tutorial we'll be working on rotate entities. So let's get started. So I have this simple sketch. Now I want to rotate it. Now I click on this point and I click on this drop down under my move entities. I click on rotate entities. So I have this, I've selected this point, which is this, and center of rotation. Also click here. Now I can simply use this direction, my degrees, to rotate. Let me just click on 180 degrees. Center of rotation. Let me click here. Okay, I didn't select these other lines. Let me select them. I click here. I rotate. So that's how it works. So that's for rotate. That's how it works. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.